Hi guys, this is Joshua again from Multival. Today with the PSAT section 3 for the question number 3 states the following. Which ordered pair x, y satisfies the system of the equations above? So every time you want to solve a system of equations, you always want to cancel a variable. It doesn't matter which one you cancel, but notice that it matters the order of the variable you choose as far as the order pair. If you cancel the y, then the value you're going to have is for the x, which is the first order pair. If you cancel the x, then the variable that you're going to left with is the y, which is the second order pairs. So let's cancel the y, just because I just want to cancel the y. It doesn't matter the order, like I said. Now, in order to cancel my y, by canceling, I mean that when I add them together, it gives me 0. So I have negative 1/4 in the first system and negative 1/8 in the second. So what do I have to multiply negative 1/4 and then add it to negative 1/8 to get 0? You guessed it, positive 1/8, right? Because positive 1/8 plus negative 1/8 is 0. Positive 1/8 minus 1/8 is 0. Okay, so now I need to multiply this first system by a number that gives me positive 1/8, and you already guessed that it's negative 1/2. So let's go ahead and do that. So negative 1/2 times my system 1/2 x minus 1/4 x, y, equals what? Notice that if I multiply negative 1/2 in the left, I also have to multiply negative 1/2 in the right. So that's 10 times negative 1/2. So if I distribute this negative 1/2, I will have negative 1/4 x and positive 1/8 y. Well, what is that equal to? Well, 10 times negative 1/2 is negative 5, right? Negative 10 over 2 is 5. So now that we have this system, I can go ahead and add it to the second system to cancel my value of y. So I have the second system. Let me use a different color. Okay, so I have, oops, I don't want this in the way. 1/8 x minus 1/8 y equals 19. Okay, so what are we going to do with these two? Well, I'm going to add them up, just like you add variables and numbers, right? So negative 1/4 x plus 1/8 x. How do I add these two? Let me write that down. Negative 1/4 plus 1/8 x. Well, we need a common denominator. Notice that the positive 1/8 plus negative 1/8 is what? We have, it's 0. So that 0 times y is 0. So what we're left is with negative 5 plus 19, which is 14. Okay, so let's add negative 1/4 plus 1/8. What do we need? Well, if you already thought about it, we need a common denominator, right? So what is the common denominator between 4 and 8? Well, it's just 8. We just have to multiply 4 by 2. So it's going to be 2 over 2, right? Because you can't just multiply by 2, but if you multiply by 2 over 2, that's equal to 1. So 2 over 2 times negative 1/4 gives me negative 2 over 8, and then plus 1/8 x, okay? And that is equal again 14. Now what is negative 2 over 8 plus 1/8? Well, it's negative 1 over 8 x, and that's equal to 14. So again, if we multiply by the reciprocal in both sides, we get x equals 14 times negative 8 And if you go ahead and multiply that, you get negative 112. Okay? Now, notice that if negative 112 was, it's the x value, right? Were repeated in the answers, then you'll have to you have to calculate what the value in y was. But since negative 112 in the value of x is only represented in the A option, look at here, then we can automatically assume that this is the answer without calculating y. Well, thanks again for watching. Please like the video, subscribe to Multival, and share with your friends. Have a great day.